StudyWithJenn here. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys the best way to take Cornell style notes, and this will be a part of my note-taking series. So first you're going to want to get started on the formatting of your paper. So you're going to want to draw a vertical line about 2 or 1.5 inches away from the left side of your paper. You're just going to draw it straight down. If you want to use a straight edge, you can. I couldn't find a ruler. And then horizontally, about 2 or 3 inches from the bottom of the page, you're going to draw another straight line. And there you go. That's all it is to format your paper correctly. So next, I'm going to talk about these different sections of your Cornell notes. So first is going to be on the left-hand side, and it's going to be the main idea or topic. And this is going to be either in question format or just a statement of the main idea or the topic of the note that you're taking. And then in the middle, in the largest section, is where you're actually going to write down your notes and the material that you need to. And then on the bottom is going to be the summary of material, and this is where you're just going to write a quick little summary of the material that you took notes on in the previous section. And so next I'm going to show you a perfect example of how you can put these sections to use. So the example I'm going to be using is a study guide from my pre-AP biology class. So I'm going to take the questions, put those on the left-hand side, and write the answers on the right side. So first, in the main idea or topic section, I'm going to write the question, which is the main idea of the information I'm going to be writing on the right side. So after I'm done writing down the main idea, then I'm going to use the correct answer or the information, and I'm going to continue to write that on the right side. And whenever I'm writing definitions in my notes, I write down the vocabulary term, I underline it, draw a little dash to it, and then continue to define it. And also, excuse my spelling, I wasn't really paying attention to that. Now in this sped up clip, I'm going to continue to show you me filling out the rest of my paper. So here I'm writing out another question on the left-hand side from my study guide. And then on the right side, I actually have a list of things. So whenever I have a list of things, I write down the beginning of the sentence, then I skip the line and bullet point the things that are in the list. This way I can clearly tell which things I need to be looking for. And it helps contrast it from the rest of the words that are in my notes section. So I know that it's not technically realistic whenever you're taking notes in class to actually write down the topic or the main idea and then write notes. So you can very well write the notes first, then go back and fill in the main idea. So here I'm going ahead and writing the summary. I'm just writing a quick little summary, and you can definitely do this after you're done taking your notes. You don't have to actually do this while you're taking your notes in case you're taking them during your class. So then I'm going back in and filling in the main idea based on what I wrote down in the notes section. So whenever you're filling out your Cornell notes, you do not actually have to fill them out the way I did. So idealistically during class, you want to fill out the middle section first with your notes, and then after you're done taking your notes, go back maybe the night later and fill in the left column with the main ideas and the topics of the notes you are taking, and then write the summary very last so that you can get an overview of everything. And this is the best way to make sure that you're not flipping through during your notes, to make sure that you're writing down the main ideas, and you can just focus on taking notes and filling in the rest later. Okay guys, so that concludes my video on my opinion, the best way to take Cornell notes. This is personally how I do them during school. So remember, like I said a few seconds ago, when you're actually taking notes during class, to write down your notes as you normally would on the right hand side. Then when you come home to review your notes later that day, then start to fill in the main topics and the summary. And the reason why you write down the main topics is so that while you're flipping back through, you're able to find the important parts if you need them for reference later on. It's just a really good way to keep track of everything. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever or video requests, just let me know and I will definitely answer them in the comment section down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you really like this video. I really love it a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!